And everybody is seeing some sort of clouds right now. Even the deserts are seeing some dark clouds. That's actually from the area that is bringing the clouds is closer to them, and right now we are dealing with those marine layer clouds for almost everybody else, even many of the mountain locations. But you can see the thunderstorm activity coming down. It is looping and moving away from us, so not likely to see any rain here in our deserts. There is some just to the east of us, though. You can actually see some heavy rain coming down on the Salton Sea. Temperatures right now are in the mid-50s to low 60s, almost for all coast and valleys downtown. One of the warmer spots at 64 degrees. The desert's really nice, mid to upper 70s there. Pretty chilly in the mountains. We're in the 40s. So the wind came through for the mountains and deserts today. Certainly not as windy as it was over the weekend, but we still saw a few gusts over 30 miles per hour. Right now we're seeing gusts in Boulevard up to about 23, about 13 in Julian. Tomorrow a little breezy. We could see a few gusts over 25, maybe all the way up to about 40 miles per hour. So we'll see increasing sunshine into the afternoon. The marine layer is going to clear tomorrow, but high clouds will be in the mix. So we're going to see uneven sunshine. Some areas will get more sunshine than others. Inland neighborhoods increasing sunshine also into the afternoon, with temperatures topping off pretty close to 70 degrees for most of us. We're in the 50s tomorrow in the mountain areas, which is about 10 degrees warmer than today, which is still 10 degrees cooler than average, and the 80s in the deserts, a little breezy as well. But check this out. By Saturday, we're talking about a huge warm-up. These are some of the areas that are going to see the biggest warm-up. So these were the highs that we saw today. So now that we have those numbers, they were just released from the National Weather Service, I can go into the future and forecast what I'm expecting on Saturday. Julian, it will be 33 degrees warmer than today. Ramona near 90 degrees, almost 30 degrees warmer than today. And then you get closer to the coast, we're about 10 to 15 degrees warmer than average. Most inland neighborhoods about 20 to 25 degrees warmer than today. Tomorrow's a transition day as this system slowly exits out of here. The wind is still picking up in the afternoon and evening in the mountains and deserts. Again, most winds will be in that 20 to about 35 mile per hour range, but a few gusts could reach up to 40. This is at 4:30 in the afternoon. So that system exits. High pressure starts to build in. Wednesday will be noticeably warmer, but Thursday, Friday, Saturday, all of those orange colors indicating the warmer air, that's what's rolling in. It doesn't last very long. Actually looks pretty nice through our Mother's Day, and then another system comes through early next week that's going to be cooling us off, and it's a little early to tell how much or if there will be any moisture. So as of right now, it doesn't look like we're going to see rain next week, but it's still a week out. So hopefully we'll get a little bit more rain because we're technically at the end of our rainy season. All right, coastal areas, temperatures will be in the mid-70s here starting on Thursday, and 70s sticking around through our Mother's Day weekend. Inland neighborhoods, a few 70s tomorrow, mid-70s by Wednesday, and then low to mid-80s by Thursday, with 80s the trend into the weekend. Friday and Saturday, the warmest days. And as I was just pinpointing, some of the warmer spots like Ramona will be close to 90 degrees by Saturday, even as early as Friday. For the mountains, 40s today, 50s tomorrow, 60s on Wednesday, 70s on Thursday, and then 80s by Saturday, plummeting back to the 60s by Monday. So a real temperature roller coaster. And for the deserts, we're soaring to the 100s starting Friday.